Meta Quest Pro headset leak. What to expect? Someone left the unreleased Meta VR headset that Mark Zuckerberg pumped up for Joe Rogan in their hotel room, according to a leaker. A month before the event where it is anticipated to be unveiled, screenshots and videos of Meta's new virtual reality or VR headgear, Quest Pro, have appeared online. Ramiro Cardenas, a Facebook user who goes by that name, posted images and videos of the headset, alleging it was left in a hotel room where he works. Cardenas is seen pulling the headset and the altered controller from the packaging, which had Meta Quest Pro printed on it and a label that said "Not for resale, engineering sample." He first shared images of the device in the remarks of Facebook post in the community for discussion of Quest devices. The device has 3 cameras on the front, as seen in the purported video, and the controller has abandoned the hollow form in favor of a solid one. The report also mentioned that afterward, the guest who slept in the room claimed the headsets. Although the headset is said to include a high-resolution color display, hand tracking capabilities, and allow users to make eye contact with virtual reality characters, hardware details are yet unclear. According to The Verge, the smartphone has been claimed by the guest who was using the hotel room. Insiders' request for comment from Meta did not receive a response right away. The popular headset, the Meta Quest, recently received a price rise of $100 so that the business could invest more in fresh VR research and development, Meta stated in July. The Meta Quest Pro is the latest version of the Meta Quest. Notably, this is not the first time a product from a significant tech company has appeared. Apple's iPhone 4 prototype was discovered abandoned in a pub in 2010. A Google Pixel Watch prototype was also found in a restaurant in April, and pictures of it were sent to Android Central. A few screenshots and a video of Meta's next premium VR gear have surfaced online ahead of the company's annual Connect event. The new virtual reality, known as Project Cambria, was shown off in a 2021 Meta post and was supposed to go on sale this year. The CEO of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, discussed the rumors on Joe Rogan's show last month. The new gadget, according to him, would be unveiled at the Meta annual Connect conference. According to Zuckerberg, new sensors in the headset will enable users to maintain eye contact and track their facial expressions in virtual reality. The gadget is a component of Meta's effort to have a significant impact in the so-called Metaverse, a setting where users can communicate online. The idea has not yet gained widespread acceptance. There are other tech companies beyond Meta that are working on mixed reality products and technology. According to a Bloomberg article from August, Apple may choose to call its upcoming headgear Reality 1, Reality Pro, or Reality Processor. Recall that Meta developed an AI chatbot last month and made it accessible to everyone online. The public is invited to engage with this conversational bot that Meta's AI research lab have created in order to provide input on the chatbot. For the time being, Meta has named this chatbot BlenderBot 3 and only made it accessible to residents of the US. According to Meta, this chatbot may hold a general discussion or even assist users by providing answers to questions they ask any digital assistant that is already on the market. BlenderBot 3 by Meta is still a prototype. It is based on the substantial language models that Meta has developed. It is considered that LLMS is a capable but unreliable text generation program. From our discussion, what can you say about the leak of the Meta Quest headset? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel Metaverse for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!